Hi guys, so this is how we're going to get through Tuesday's maths. I'm going to go through it all with you now. So at the top we have question 4 and question 5, they're questions from the plan, and at the bottom we have question 5, which is from the school hour. Okay, so the first one here we have question 4a, which is 2 meters 23 centimeters multiplied by 3. So the first thing we do is 3 multiplied by 3, which is 3, 6, 9. So we'll put our 9 underneath the 3. And the next thing we have to do is multiply the 3 by the 2. So 3 2s is 6. So we'll put our 6 in beside the 9. And then our final part is to multiply 3 by the last number, which is 2 again. So 3 2s is 6. So the answer to the first one then is 6 meters and 69 centimeters. So that's question 4a on the maths plan. Okay, and over here now I just have an example. So it is 5 meters 67 centimeters multiplied by 7. So the first thing we need to do is multiply 7 by 7. So if we count up on our 7s, we get 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 and 49. So we put our 9 down and put our 4 up. The next step is 7 multiplied by 6. So we'll count up on our 7s again. We go 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. And we need to add our 4 then to that 42. So we get 46. We'll put our 6 down, bring our 4 up. And now the last step for that sum is 7 multiplied by 5. So we can do it in our 5s this time. We can go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And then if we add our 35 and our 4, we get 39. So that's 39 meters and 69 centimeters. Okay, so now moving down to question 5 that's in the maths plan. So these are written this way, but I want you to write them out the same way we've written the questions above. So it'll just make it easier for everyone. So we put our meters and our centimeters, and then we put the number underneath, multiplied by 3. So the first job again is to multiply 5 by 3. So 5, 10, 15. So we put our 5 down and carry up our 1. Now 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 and 1 is 7. And then the last bit is 3 multiplied by 3, which we all know is 9. So 9 meters and 75 centimeters. Now over here we have an example. We have 6 meters, 95 centimeters multiplied by 7. And we're going to do it the same way as the other ones as well. So we'll write down our meters and our centimeters. So 6 meters, 95 centimeters multiplied by 7. So 7 multiplied by 5, we can go 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So we carry our 3. Now we have 7 multiplied by 9. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63. And then our last part is 7 multiplied by 6. So we go 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, and 42. And we have to add our 42 then to our 42 to our 6, and that gives us 48. So the answer to that is 48 meters and 65 centimeters. Now down here we have questions from our school hour. This is question 5 that you have today in the school hour, page 47. So now you can see that they're written like decimals, but I want you to write them out the same way. So we put our meters and our centimeters, and we go 3 meters, 26 centimeters multiplied by 5. So once we get that started, our first job is to do 6 times 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we'll put our 0 down and we'll carry up our 3. Next job is 5 multiplied by 2, which we all know is 10. And we need to add our 3, so that becomes 13. So we put down our 3 and carry our 1. And then our final step is 5 by 3, which again is 15, plus our 1 is 16. So our answer for that one is 16 meters and 30 centimeters. Now to the last one, 6.39 meters multiplied by 8. So again, I want you to write it out the same way as the other ones with our meters and our centimeters headings. So we have 6 meters, 39 centimeters multiplied by 8. So the first thing we need to do then is 8 multiplied by 9. So 8 multiplied by 9, we can go 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. So we put our 2 down and we'll carry up our 7. Our next job then is 3 multiplied by 8. So again we go 8, 16, 24. Our 24 plus our 7 is 31. So we'll put our 1 down and carry over our 3. And then our last job is 8 multiplied by 6. So we go 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. So we've our 48 and our 3. So we'll add them together and we get 51 meters and 12 centimeters. So that's the maths for today, Tuesday, the 21st of April. Best of luck with it. If you're stuck on any sums, try and use your tables book, and best of luck.